Hello Hampton 4th grade, this is Miss Vance with your lesson today. Today is May 11th, 2020, and today we are going to look at different ways to multiply. Alright, let's look at our problem. It says Mrs. Rios is arranging the chairs in the choir room. She arranged a chair for each student in the choir into 14 rows with 15 chairs in each row. The array shown below represents the product of 14 times 15. Our question says, which of the following represents the number of students in the choir? So, is this not your standard multiplication? It's broken up into basically multiplying by place values, which we also do when we do the area model for multiplication. So let's do an area model and see what we come up with. So it's going to be 14 times 15. I broke it up into place value. So if we do the area model, this is 10 times 10, which equals 100. 10 times 4, which equals 40. 10 times 5, which equals 50. And 5 times 4, which equals 20. We would add them all together. Plus 20. So if you notice of all the answers, it didn't give you the amount. So we need to find an answer that's going to look like this. Well, this one only has 3. It only represents 3 of our squares in our area model. So F is out. G, it does 10 times 15. It's not broken up all the way. And if you look at our answers, we have 150, 40, 50, 20. That's not going to give us our area model either. It doesn't follow our area model. This one only gives us part of it too. And J, it's 10 times 10, 4 times 10, 10 times 5, and 4 times 5. And we have 100, 40, 50, and 20. So J would be our correct answer. You can, to check it, add it up and see which one adds up to 210. 100 plus 50 plus 20 equals 170. 150 plus 40 is 190. Plus 50 is 240, plus 20 is 260. Those are too high. This one's 190, it's too low. And when you add these up, it equals 210. So we checked our answer, and it is 210. Our next example is an area model itself. We want to know the model is, what is the product of 15 times 48? We add up all 4 of our numbers. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7. D is our answer. All the work is done for you in this one. 8 says there are 47 new chairs in a school cafeteria. Each new chair costs $74. What is the total cost for the new chairs? We can tell it's a multiplication problem. I'm going to do an area model for this one too. It's going to be 40 and 7, 70 and 4. New chairs is blank. So 70 times 40 . 2,800. 70 times 7 equals 490. 40 times 4 equals 160, and 4 times 7 equals 28. We're going to add up all of our numbers. All of our products, I should say. 8, 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So we got that our chairs cost $3,478. Here's another area model for us. It's 16 times 52. They usually don't make it that easy for us, but they've done all the work for us on the middle. So we just need to add up our numbers. 500 500, sorry, my pen died, plus 300, plus 20, plus 12. It's 2, 3, and 8. So our product is 832. Our answer is C. Okay, last one we're going to look at today. It says, which expression shows a way to multiply 3 times 5,109 using place value in expanded form? So what we need to do is put our number in expanded form. So 5,109 equals 5,109. We're going to multiply each place value by the 3. So it's 3 times 5,000 plus 3 times 100 plus 3 times 9. Once again, it's not asking us to solve it. We're just looking for the representation of it. So we have to find the answer that fits this. 3 times 5. It's not enough. It has to be 5,000. Here's 3 times 5,000. 3 times 100. 3 times 9. Just like we have written. We can check our last two answers to make sure that is the correct one. 3 times 500 needs to be 5,000. This one has 3 times 5,000. But over here it jumps to 5 times 100. So J is not correct. These are the ones that are looking at to go over the different types of multiplication. Make sure you are your assignment will be given to you tomorrow by Ms. Jackson. I have a pop-up question for you. Make sure you're checking the Super fourth grade squad assignment in Study Island to make sure that you're seeing all of your assignments. Here is your pop-up question. There are your answers. I'm going to help you out. Keyword. Remember to take a picture of your work and your answer. Send it to your homeroom teacher. If you have any questions, if you need to have a Zoom meeting, please let me know on Class Dojo or send me an email and I will be happy to work with you, or Ms. Jackson will be happy to work with you too. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.